Good morning. It is Tuesday. It is the Bubba Show. Welcome back, everybody. Glad to have you aboard. Again, I mentioned yesterday the lack of news this week. And, I get tired of talking about the news because it really doesn't mean a hell of a lot at this moment. So, really what I'm going to talk about is really what's happening in the market here is what I like to say, and I've said this on TV a number of times, the ever chase for yield in the artificial bull market. Now, that's a mouthful. But what is happening in the markets right now, and the reasons that we keep going up are multi and plentiful. The first reason is the technicals, the trends keep breaking out. So that's something that we don't want to fight, nor do we want to get in the way of. But one of the things you have to think about is, why is there so much buying? Why are the markets able to continue to go higher here when fundamental news continues to be fair to mediocre? But the markets yet want to go higher. Well, we talked about technicals. We have going on right now the ever chase for yield. And what does that mean? It means that traders, investors have no place else to go with their money. Okay? The chase for yield is you have to find, if you're an older investor looking for income to generate, you need to go into the dividend play. If you're a more aggressive investor, you're looking for faster growth. Right now, if you go into a bank, you're getting less than 1%. If you look for bonds, you're getting, depending on the duration, you're getting less than 3% and 2% and 1%. So what's forcing people is to chase into the stock market, the equity market, which provides the opportunity not only for growth of the underlying stock that you're buying, but the dividends that they pay, hence the chase for yield. So what's driving the market, not only technically, is there's no place else to go to take your money and put it. If you go back years ago when interest rates were 5 or 6%, people that were in retirement would put their money in the bank, and that would be enough to hold on to their wealth. Well, now, if you want to hold on to your wealth, you must take your money and go into the equity market and find a place that will create yield, because otherwise you have to dip into your core holding. And that's what's happening here. So the market is not only technically breaking out, and the reason I call it artificial is because people, because of the Fed and because of the policies that they've created, people are being forced to buy equities even if they would choose not to, because there is no place else to go right now to put your money in. You have to be in the equity market because that's the only sign of growth that we have. Bonds no good, banks no good. So just keep that in mind when you watch the market, but remember, it's always about the technicals either way, but we know this is the ever chase for yield. Hope you liked the new format of Bubba's Picks. I had a good week last week. We look forward to continuing to produce winners, and for Tuesday, the Bubba Show, we'll talk to you on Wednesday. Have a great day.